9 o'clock, and today's plan is to explore the nightlife of Kuala Lumpur. So, I am just heading towards the main area where we have Twin Towers and other things because I am living just a bit away from the city. You can see the building like 3-4 kilometers away. So, I have just booked Grab. So, Grab is very cheap here. It just costed me 980, and the driver is just 3-4 minutes away. So today we will be exploring the nightlife of Kuala Lumpur, and I will share that what you can do, where you can go for the photography, what are the different food that you can try, and what are the different good viewpoints like Twin Towers and the Merdeka Square. So let's see how things goes around today. So it is 4681 and here is our driver. So let's go inside. So here are the Twin Towers, and here are the photography boys. They charge you 10 ringgit per picture, but they know the angle, the good angle, which will cover your image. See. Happy. Amo. Oh man, just see these people. They all are crazy. They are just taking pictures of this Twin Tower. Here it is. They all are here. Is famous Merdeka Square. So it is a historical place for Malaysia because the independence movement was here in August 30. This country got independence from this place. So that's why you can see this flag here. This big flag, and here is a ground. So people come here, especially on the occasion of independence. They have celebration here. I am here at the most happening area of Kuala Lumpur, Bukit Bintang streets. So people are singing here, dancing, eating food. So let's give you a walk around and show you like which are the parts that if you are planning to visit Malaysia, you must come here and explore. Just see, here I am in the most busy food street of Malaysia. You can see there are so many people sitting, enjoying their food. So we have explored this street as well. There was nothing special for me because I don't like to drink, I don't like to visit the massage, the spa. So that's why the stay here was very short, but I have tried to give you a brief walk through this street. It's almost 11 o'clock, but the Phuket streets are not ready to sleep. People are still here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. You have seen the street views of Bukit Bintang, and also there are other videos on my channel where I have shown you the other things like Twin Towers, like the world's second largest tower, Merdeka 118, and other things. So do check those videos if you are planning to visit Malaysia. And also I have put out some videos regarding the accommodation, the cheap accommodation. I have shown different buildings, so check those buildings. And if you like to book your accommodation here, I can connect you with the person. I have the number, so just message me on my WhatsApp and I will try to connect you with the accommodation owners. So tomorrow I will be heading towards Singapore from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur on bus. So don't forget to check that video as well, in which I will be showing all the immigration, all my experience related to bus traveling. We'll meet again in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.